Friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model the frame with the help of Dodo Workbench. And I have already modeled this frame based on my rectangular body, which you can see here. And this frame size is depend upon this my rectangular solid box, and it is fully parametric. Once I change the dimension of my rectangular box, my frame will get modified. And if I hide my box, you can clearly see my frame. I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD. And before starting this tutorial, I would request you to please like, subscribe and share my video. And if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on ko-fi.com. For more information, visit the link given in the video description. I will close this file and I will create a new file, and here I will switch to part design workbench, and I will create a body, and then I will create a sketch. On this XZ plane I will create my sketch. I will simply draw a rectangle and I will make it symmetric. So I will click on this symmetric constraint and I will select this point and center point. So now my rectangle is fully constrained. Now I will give dimension. I will give horizontal dimension of 1 meter and vertical dimension of 1 meter. Now I will close it, say zoom to fit, and I will select my sketch and give the pad width of 2 meter. And now I will activate my Dodo Workbench, and here I will activate Frame Branch Manager, and in Frame Branch Manager I will go for RH profile rectangular tube, square tube 40-45 by 5 and 50-50 by 5. So here I will select 40-45 by 5. I will say select this edge and I will say OK. So you can see that FreeCAD has inserted square tube of 40-40 in by 5 thickness. But here is the problem. If you see in this area, this has not been properly merged. So we will do it. So in my case I will make this tube up to this face, same at the bottom side, this face on both the side, and I will trim it. Same way this tube will be from this face to this face. So let's do it how we can easily do it in a Dodo Workbench. So I wanted to make this tube up to this face. So what I will do, I will first select my target. So my targets will be, I will select this face, control, and I will select on the bottom face, and I will click on get targets, and I will select this square tube and click on trim and extend. So you can see that it has extended up to this face. Same way we will do it here. We will select this face and click on get targets, and select this face and say trim and extend. So you can see that it has been extended. We will do same on other side. We will select this face and say get targets, select this face and say trim and extend. Same way here, select this face and say get targets, select this one and say trim and extend. So we have extended all 4 vertical tubes. Now we will trim and extend this horizontal tube. So I will go to the isometric. So I will select this face and this face and say get targets, and select this one and say trim and extend. Same way we will select this face and this face and say get target, select this face and say trim and extend. So we have did 1 2. Now we will do third and fourth. Same way, select this face and say get targets, and select this one and say trim and extend. Now we will do the same for the last one. Select this face and this face, say get targets, select this one and say trim and extend. Now we will do the same for this one. So this will be our target, this face and this face. Say get targets, select this face and say trim and extend. Okay, this is updated. Same here, select this face and this face, get targets, select this one and say trim and extend. 2. And now we will do for the third one. Select this face and this face and say get targets, and select this one and say trim and extend. Now we will do for the fourth one. Select this face and this face, say get targets and select this one and say trim and extend. So now you can see that this corner is beautifully handled by the Dodo Workbench, all the sides. So we will now close it and we will now hide our pad, and you can see that it is beautifully made with Dodo Workbench. And once I change the extrude length of my pad from 2 meter to 1 meter, and I hide my box here, so you can see that it is updated automatically. So this is how you can design a parametric frame with the help of FreeCAD. And I again change this to the 2 meter. So it is, see, this with the help of this Dodo Workbench you can easily design a frame, not with a square tube, with other profile also. So I hope you have liked this tutorial to model a simple frame with the help of Dodo Workbench. And if you like my method of teaching, then please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you for